let's suck up some cornflakes. Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. We have next to me my 2022 numatic Henry Quick, and it's time to do, yes indeed, a cornflake demo. Let's see how he performs. Okay then, let's pour some lovelies all over this floor. There we go. So first of all, we're just going to pass the turbo brush over it. So here we go. Wow, well I say that is a massive pass by this machine. He picked up every single piece, there's not a crumb left. Now of course we'll test him on his straight suction, only a little bit this time. We'll attach this to him and see how he performs. Full power. Wow. Again, nothing there. The powerful numatic Henry Quick has passed the test. Well, there we go, my YouTubers. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. He did an absolute smashing job. Nothing left behind, everything picked up. The pure power of this beautiful cordless machine. So it can pick up absolutely anything apart from liquid. Don't do that. So there we go, my YouTubers. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.